In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to move your Near protocol from your exchange to your Ledger cold wallet and then back to the exchange. Here's what the steps look like. We're going to skip the buying selling part since I'm assuming you already know how that works. But if you don't, no worries, you can check out the buy and sell video at any time. The main focus here are the transfers. In this example, I'll be using a Ledger Nano S Plus, but the steps are pretty much the same for the Nano S, Nano X, and other Ledger cold wallets. I'll be using Kraken as the exchange since it's one of the most popular centralized exchanges in North America. Now, that said, the exchange you use doesn't really matter. The process is basically the same for all of them. What does matter is making sure that you have the correct wallet address and correct network, because sending crypto to the wrong address could mean losing it forever. So the example we have here is the Radium token that's running on the Solana network in Kraken. And we want to transfer it to the Ledger Live, so we have to ensure that we're using the same network. There are 3 security requirements that you must follow before doing the transfers. Number 1, make sure your operating system is up to date. And if you can't update it because your hardware is too old, maybe it's time to upgrade the hardware. Number 2, update all software. In this case, specifically, we're going to be using Chrome to connect to the exchange, the Ledger Live software to connect to your ledger. And if you have an antivirus, make sure your virus definitions are up to date. And last but not least, ensure that your Ledger firmware is also running at the latest version. Okay, let's start. So first thing you want to do is have both the Kraken and Ledger Live open. And we can go to Ledger Live and look for Near. So Near has its own app and it's supported by Ledger Live, which means that we have to install the app and get the address from it. Perfect. So I'm going to add the account now. I'm going to press both buttons to open the app. I'm going to add the account. And now it took me directly to account. So I'm going to click on Near and then click Receive, Continue. I'm going to copy this address and go to Withdraw in Kraken. Type Near. So it's running on the Near network, which is a good thing. And then here, we're going to call it Ledger Near. So basically it's a coin, it's not a token since it's not running on Solana or Ethereum. Now I have to confirm by email. Here's the email. Gonna confirm the address. Okay, it's been approved. So I'm gonna click on the purple number here to select the maximum amount. Click review. Validate this information. So the amount, the fee, the network, the address, everything looks good. So I'm gonna confirm. Okay, as you can see, the Near coins were successfully withdrawn and received to the Ledger wallet. Now it's time to send them back to the exchange. So I'm going to click on Near and then send. I have to enter the address. So I'm going to go to Kraken, click on deposit, type Near, select it, copy the address, paste it in the Ledger Live software, continue. I'm going to select the Send Max option. There's a small fee, continue. And then we can validate the information on the ledger. So here it says View Reader. So signer ID, receiver ID, 163, which is good. And confirm. So I just double pressed and it's asking me to confirm again. Now I have to sign. Perfect. It started the transaction. And we can check in Kraken under activity to see if Okay, here we go. So it is showing already. That was really fast. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them.